Well guys, in this video we are going to introduce you to the biggest spy systems in the world. This system puts you on the side of the biggest advertisers worldwide. Imagine if you could find out which ads are running the most and are earning the most at this very moment on several different social networks, not only on Facebook ads, but also on Google ads, and on Pinterest, and on TikTok, Twitter, Yahoo, Unity, and there you go. Imagine if you had the information on the main advertisements that are scaled on the internet and you could get that information as creative, which is that image of the video ad being used, the copy is being used in that ad that is already scaled. What would you do if you had this information at hand? Well, this is now also possible through what we've already talked about here about the adherent. We're talking about the Bigspy, and this time we're going to talk about the long-awaited Bigspy. So I'm going to tell you here, this is the Bigspy Pro account. I'm going to share with you here a preview of what this tool is. This tool is a tool for spying on ads, but it has one characteristic, some very different characteristics, because it works both for products, for drops, and for services, okay? We can have filters here. Look, for example, Shopify, okay? We manage to get ads for products from stores that use Shopify, use Commercio, use WordPress, use Magento, use BigCommerce, use OpenCart, use PrestaShop, use Wix, Squalid Space, Edgewid, Salesforce, and more. What platforms can we spy on? We can spy on Facebook ads, Instagram, Google ads. We can spy on YouTube, ads that are running on YouTube. We can spy on TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, Yahoo, and Unity, okay? We can also filter by regions, geolocation. That is, you can search for ads from France, ads from Germany, ads from Portugal. You want to sell to these countries, be it PLR, be it physical products for dropshipping, whatever it is, okay? You are an affiliate of Amazon products, for example, you want to see what other affiliates are spying on, they are doing. You can see, you can sell anywhere in Brazil and the world through this idea that you will get from advertisements. We also have here how to filter the type of ad format. You can choose to filter by image only, or video or spy card structure or HTML files. You can also structure whether the image will be vertical or horizontal or square or banner or dynamic structure. You can also configure per image quality structure, CHD, CSD, and so on. Well, we also have the option here where you can select the language of this ad, so you can capture creative images and ads by language, right? You can see what is happening in the international market, what kind of strategy they are using in other countries, using different languages. Remembering that when you are going to work with language research, the keyword you are going to search for has to be in the same language. If German is the ad you are looking for, put the search term in German to make it easier for the algorithm to find the types of ads you want in a filter. Here you can also put the survey by engagement. You can search by like from 1 to 100, from 100 to 1000, and from 1000 to 10,000. You can also extract the maximum here, the minimum and the maximum. Commenting is the same thing and sharing is the same thing. And here we also have the structure of targeted marketing. For example, when an advertisement has a button, this button usually targets an objective, and in this objective we can filter what we want to do, similar to our espionage. If I want to sell something, then buy it now. That's it here. Oh buoy, now it's buy now. Just translate here, you'll be able to see it's the structure. Just look: buy now, add to cart, order now, sell now, buy now, order, start, contact this, learn more, get offer, and so on. With these nomenclatures of buttons, you can have a more targeted filter. If that ad is for one person to sign up, signing up in most cases is for a specific event. So you can see ads that are coming in there with the launch structure, if it's a product that is being sold, software, and so on. So you select these options here and it will bring you ads, with the word chapa that you are using this nomenclature. Well, it's all kinds, okay. Here in this case it's the LP structure, okay. Here we have original ads called the delivery structure, ads for advanced delivery. Here we have the language structure, I talked about that too, we have a structure of dates too. I can put ads from the last 7 days, 30 days, 90 days or more, year, 3 years, 5 years. The cool thing is that Bigspy stores all ads within its base. If you want ads from 5 years ago, check it out, 5 years ago. Let's see if he will bring something. Let's see if he will bring something. Let's see if he will bring something from 5 years ago. Here, the filter automatically stayed from 2018 to 2023, right? Let's see here. Here the system makes clear 100 million ads found, 53 million after the standard deduplication. That is, they cut the duplicate ads to be able to bring you more quality results. It just won't cut the ads that are active, because they are strategies, okay? But the ads that are no longer active, that are duplicated, he will optimize that to bring more results. The advertisements that are on the air he will not cut because we know that the duplicated structure shows that he is moving along a scale. He does not make this cut, just the ones that are no longer on the air. It is relevant that you have something duplicated since it is no longer in the air. Look here, we have ads here. It's here, look at this ad here, for example, it's from 2023. You can put the filter here to put the minimum to the minimum. And if you put 90 days here, it will bring the last 90 days. You can organize it here, by relevance, by comment, by popularity, by like. Everything that is happening in the market can see what the affiliates are doing. We can see what these affiliates are seeing in the market. You can get products that are out of the curve. If I click here on Facebook platform, it will bring me the ads. I'm going to put the last 7 days here and I'm going to put the word weight loss here. I'm going to click here on Facebook. Let's filter. Notice that the little symbol here on the icon is Facebook. Only he just brought it to me. It's a weight loss ad for Facebook. Receive that we have here, like the copy, right, complete. Look at the copy that. Oh, you can copy this copy and model it. Never copy it to model it, but don't use it. The same thing the guy is using. You click here on the 3 dots. Here you can search for the advertiser. You have the search page. You can check the page analysis, check the original page, the original post, and you can also see where this ad is leading to, which is the different page and more details of the ad, which is what we are going to check, more details of the ad. So let's check this ad. For example, here it's the weight loss ad. Right, there's a copy here. We can open it right here. We have this ad so far. It's had 1200 impressions. It's had an average duration this year is an image, right? It's an image. We have here some information on duration and popularity, okay? The ad is only running on Facebook. It's running on iOS, okay? Desktop. In this case, its structure is for desktop. The ad is running for desktop. It is running only for Brazil and in Portuguese, which is the ad format and the link to the original post. If we click, we go straight for the post, but I'm not logged in here. On Facebook, I'm not logged in here, so that's why we won't be able to see it down here. You see, we have the launch calendar here, the dates here. The campaign is running for an average of 100 days, and here on January 20th, the campaign escalated. Duration. In the case here it's running an average of 22 days, okay? It's here in this case, up to here, okay? We have here the texts that are being used in this ad. For example, the title of this ad here, and the ad texts, okay? So you can copy ideas here. Clicking on learn more, you can copy ideas from these descriptions, from these titles there. It will load here. This here is a system that will give you copies, adaptations of ideas, the reports that we need, these texts, save that one to upload. Look. He brought us here models and words here for you to use your copies. Seeing here, oh, so, he's going to create some possibilities for you here that you can use in this regard, okay? You can see that these terms are used here. Look, he has a summary here. Look here, I'm going to play here in Portuguese just for you to understand. The top 100 words are the most searched words using that weight loss term. Let's go back here. This here is the initial interface, okay? Check it out, where we can spy on the products. I'm going to click here on address PY, and then we're going to put it in Google Ads now, okay? I'm going to do the spying here on Google. Look, we can see the ads that are running on Google search engines, okay? As a display network, cover there for YouTube. Here in this case it is google.com. Search network. Look at the search network. We can see here several possibilities. This here are banners that are usually found inside virtual stores and run as who are partners. Their partner stores, sites, blogs, portals are partners, their apps. We can see here, look, this ad here. We can see the title. We can see the amount of pressure. How long this ad has been running, okay? Look how cool. So having the ad information inside Google Ads is awesome, okay? I'm going to play here. Look, extra income. Let me take it here, look. So you can feel free there to be able to throw in the keywords, the terms, right? And he will do the research for you. On YouTube it's the same thing. When we click on YouTube, it brings us here, the main ads on YouTube. Look how cool, oh. Can see the ads that are running on YouTube. Look how nice it is. And here are the sites that are advertising. Here in this case it is leading to a landing page. We can see the number of impressions, how long this ad has been running. Here in this case it is Google. Here is YouTube, using an iOS application, that is, the company almarivila.com chose to advertise Binoda for those who have iOS, iPhone, probably due to the user profile, purchasing power, we prefer to advertise for this type of public. And you can also check the TikTok ads. Look, there are several ads here on TikTok. You can also search for the keyword here and filter the main ads according to the keyword inside TikTok. Twitter. The same thing. For those who don't know, Twitter is also a source of sponsored traffic. Follow the campaign on Twitter. Look how cool these are, the ads that are running on Twitter, okay? You can also search by keyword. Look for the ads you want. We have a Pinterest filter here. Look, we can see the ads that are running on Pinterest. Same thing, okay? I use filters to be able to search for ads within Pinterest. And here we also have Yahoo, which is a strong competitor to Google's search network, where a lot of people advertise within Yahoo. Yahoo is still the second largest search engine that exists after Google, okay? We have Unit here, check it out. We can see the ads that are running inside Omnet. Do you have an idea? There's a lot of traffic, okay? Look, a lot of traffic on these platforms here that we are showing you. If I click here on Shopify, let me close here. When you click here on Shopify, it will open up all the possibilities of virtual stores, ads that are pointing to these stores, to these structures, and then you will be able to filter greater of strategies there that you want. The interesting thing about this tool is the amount of. We are not restricted to just Facebook ads or just Instagram. You can get bigger filter from the main platforms here. I believe that over time Bigspy should add other ad networks like Tabula, Bing ads and so on. Being able to spy on these platforms is also all in one place. Bigspy's idea is to become an all-in-one platform, where you can find everything you need in one place. Well guys, I'm going to stop here in this video. The video was quite long. Let me take a look here, 20 minutes. I want to stay on this track with you, but I think you could understand the logic of Bigspy. There are some other resources that you may be verifying. There are more than 850 million creatives, a lot. There are many creatives from 5 years ago you can find here inside the Bigspy, right? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell. If you want to purchase this and other tools that we have presented here, we have a supplier that provides these tools at an incredible price, with absurd discount. So it's an opportunity you have. If you can't pay the amounts directly from the platform, you will have direct promotional prices that this supplier will pass on to you, okay? That's it guys, big hug, subscribe to the channel, activate the bell and don't miss the next videos. Another thing, you are not part of Affiliate yet. Affiliate is a project that we teach and show you how to start. Within marketing, we have an affiliate forum. This forum has tips. There are Russians inside who put tips. There are Americans who put strategic tips for you to position yourself in the market. Many of these things that are going on here, and many Russians have shown us these tools, and this really is gold because it's just a tool developed mostly by Russians to be able to change the type of result using the digital frame. If you have the right tools, the right knowledge, you will break through in this market. Including, if you are interested in mentoring both dropship and digital branding, we teach you how to use the right tools, how to access these tools, and especially how to sell the correct way by positioning yourself within this market. Whether in the affiliate market, whatever the dropship market, whatever the right market, you will choose which front you most identify with. We will give you training. You start from absolute zero even if you have no knowledge within this market, right? That's it, we'll stay here, big hug, see you in the next video.